You see this hair? This hair have suffered in my hand. Really? Do you know since how many days this hair has been inside the water? Yeah. Brush it and condition it. Because I was busy. Let me brush it thoroughly and condition it. If I ever come life again, God, please don't let me come through Abigail. This hair is crying for help because I left it inside the water since how many days. It's crying for help. Did you know the shampoo that I used to wash the hair? The shampoo that I used to have shower. You think concern look over concern overload. I use money to buy hair finish. I'll still go to buy shampoo when this I want to wash am. Who bought the hair? So, I'll brush it now. You can see the hair is flowing back to back. It's flowing. You see, I rather come back up before this lady start to use scissors to cut the generation of her life. That's why he rather cooperate because he's under suspect. So this is my condition. I use mascara. Mascara is stronger than condition. That is what I use. Let me pour it and make it more demure, more yummy. Wow. Look at it. You can see that is coming back to normal life. I am reviving this hair back to normal life so that it will spend time with us. May not cut us with this stage for this world. Now we'll cause her when she not last. So maybe we make her last. My excellency, you see after putting this mascara, you see as it's flowing. Italian have best mascara. Look at it. Just bouncy. Nah, I love her. So for a moment, we have to leave it like for 1 hour. I want to leave it inside the bowl again to rest. Okay, the hair has to rest. So I keep it aside. Wash my hands, clean everywhere. Thank you for washing. I love you.